Hello friends, welcome back to a brand new video on my channel today. So actually in this video we are going to review one of the music that I've just created some time ago. Last week I had created this music. So I'm just reviewing this music as in like telling you what exactly I've done with this track and how have I tried to make it more interesting. So basically I've created a pattern 1, pattern 2. So basically pattern 1 is used like before the drop and pattern 2 is used after the drop. So you can see, and here you can see that there are some beats added just after the drop, and here there's a build up sample pack. So there is also an envelope sweep up and all that, so that gives a more build up effect. Moreover, the main thing about this project is that I have used Grossbeat. So if you see in 7th one, you can see that there is Grossbeat. So this enables to give a bit of rhythm. It gives a rhythm to your melody. I've applied it to the pattern 2 after the drop, so it gives really good. In case you're finding your tracks like not so interesting, just apply the Grossbeat filter and then you can add some other effects like the reverb and all that, but the Grossbeat has done a great job. So anyways, I'll just play this track, then you just give me your feedback, honest feedback. I've worked very hard on this track, like I spent around 1 week. You can say I'm a beginner, I'm not a really big pro or something, but would like to hear your feedback. So anyways, I'll play this. I'm going to create a new channel too on all the beats. I'm going to like distribute it like some sort of NCS music. So anyways, let's start hearing this. Okay, so that was the music. Just let me know how you thought about it in the comment section. If you have any thing that you want me to hear or something we can work together or something like that, just let me know in the comment section. So apart from everything else, I've just added some extra tunes in the end, and here you can see that I've just cut the drop part into like half and just repeated it in the second part. Most of it is because thanks to Grossbeat. So please give me your feedback. I've just had some automation for some better, what is that called, better variation. It is called beta variation. So anyways, this was it. I hope that this video is helpful. I have added some beats here, as you can see, all like very simple melody, but the Grossbeat has changed the melody, like I must say. I'll just show you without the Grossbeat how it sounds. You get an idea. I can toggle it off. So actually I think it depends on when the Grossbeat comes on and all that, because now when after toggling it really made a big difference. Okay, so bros, this was it for the video. I hope that this video made sense and was helpful enough to you. Give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section. Let's build ourselves. Let's help one another. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, for more information videos, so help tricks and PC tricks. Lot of other good stuff coming up. Peace out. Take care. See you in the next video, bros. Bye.